Hi English 145 students, welcome to week 14. Let's see what's going on this week. We're going to click on course map like always and scroll all the way down to week 14. Fortunately, this is the second to last lab assignment. So you have week 14 and then next week, week 15, and then you are done. Woohoo! Okay, so let's see what's going on this week by clicking on assignment 14. So just last week, we were helping you prepare for your final exam, which most of you will be taking this week, week 14. So now we're kind of looking ahead to your final writing assignments. For 145, you should be working on a research paper, and you're going to be using outside sources within your essay. And so this week, we're helping you figure out how to do that most effectively. There are two parts for week 14, so let's see what part 1 is about. So remember that whenever you use someone else's ideas or words, you have to give credit to the source. If you don't give them credit, you may be accused of plagiarizing, and we don't want that. So you're going to read through this carefully, and then clicking on this link here, you're going to get some information about how to do those in-text citations. And so that means whenever you paraphrase or whenever you use someone's ideas or someone's exact words, you have to let the reader know, where did you get this information? And we do that with these parenthetical citations. Okay, so read through this carefully in order to get a better understanding of how to do that. And then we're going to click back on our Etudes tab. And a quick way to get back to part 2 is to just click here on assignment 14, and that'll take you to part 2. And this is a PowerPoint, so if you click on it, it should open for you. And what this PowerPoint is showing you is how to do these citations. So it gives you sort of a general example. And if you keep scrolling through these slides, they're going to show you exactly how you should be using these in-text citations, okay? So take some notes and really give this an honest read so that you'll be fully prepared to do in-text citations in your research papers. All right, so that's it for the assignment. Let's go back to course map to take a look at what you're doing with this new information. So if we scroll again back to week 14 to the project, you will, when you click on it, you'll have to click begin, but I already did, so this is what I'm seeing now. So here we give kind of an overview of how to do these parenthetical citations, so make sure to read this. For example, here it says introduce the quote with the signal phrase. That's very important when you're doing in-text citations because we have to know who is talking. So give this a quick read because this will definitely help you fix the parenthetical citation errors in this paragraph. To do that, you're going to copy and paste into the text box, and that way you can fix these errors more easily. So there are errors in the signal phrases. Some of them may not have a signal phrase, so you need to add it. And there's definitely errors in the burgundy here, which are the parenthetical citations. And you will be able to recognize those errors after you have read carefully through the OWL formatting guide here, and after you have read through the PowerPoint here. Okay, so remember that if you are not quite finished and you need to head out, go ahead and click continue later. But if not, raise your hand so that one of our awesome tutors can let you know what you did correctly and where you still need some improvement. After you have gotten some feedback from a tutor, you can go ahead and click Finish. Okay, so that is it for the mandatory assignments for week 14. If we just scroll down to the optional, there's, as always, the free write, some videos that you can watch, and our In the News is about whether or not Harriet Tubman will be on the $20 bill. So there was this sort of push to get women who had historical significance on our currency, since right now all we have are dead white presidents. So it's an interesting story, so go ahead and check that out. But that's it for week 14, and we'll see you in the lab. Bye!